Hello and welcome everyone. Uh, am I audible? Welcome everyone. A very good evening to all of you. I can see there are so many people who have joined us today, and people are still joining. So, we'll just gonna wait for 2 to 3 minutes and then we start. Thank you. So many partners have joined. Okay, so welcome again who have recently joined, and some of you might have attended our last Friday's webinar. And I would like to give you just a brief about what we have discussed in our last webinar. So we have discussed about the AI applications which can simplify the university shortlisting, visa guidance, and how to create the SOP and LORs. Secondly, how to boost the student enrollments effortlessly using the AI-driven marketing strategies. And thirdly, the automating your marketing process and to generate more high quality leads without the need of for the extra staff. Again, we have come up in the next week with uh, so many new things to showcase, and so again we are thrilled to have you all join us today for our free web class where we'll be showcasing some game changing AI tools that can help you in your student recruitment and counseling process. So, whether you are from a university, education agency, or any institution looking to streamline your operations, this webinar will provide you with the powerful insights to make your work more efficient and effective. So, to start with the introduction, my name is Soumya and I will be your guide for today's session. We have an exciting agenda lineup for you today, including a dive into our AI powered solution and how they can transform your student recruitment process. So the goal for today is to give you a practical tool and strategies that you can start right away using the um, right away using and to engage more students, reduce manual work, and to improve your overall recruitment outcomes. So those who have not attended our last webinar, they can contact me on soumya@studymetro.com. I will give you the recordings if you don't have till now. So before we get started, I would like to introduce someone very special, the Managing Director of Study Metro, Mr. Abhishek Bajaj, and he will be leading today's session, where he will take you through our AI marketing software and he'll show you how it can transform your business operations. So I will just invite Abhishek sir here, and while he's joining, I will just quickly run down of what you're gonna learn in today's session. So, firstly, we're gonna talk about how AI can enhance career counseling and make it more personalized. Secondly, simplifying the study abroad process with AI powered tools for student inquiries, visas, and scholarships. Thirdly, using the AI chatbot to handle inquiries and to increase student engagement on your website. And lastly, the step-by-step strategies to integrate AI tools into your current platform. So, Abhishek sir, are you there? And in between, if you have any questions, you
Hi,
can put it
Soumya.
in the chat box, which is right side of your screen, and we'll discuss it in the end of the session. So, sir, handing over to you, you can take it forward.
Hello, everyone. And first of all, thank you very much to Soumya. Soumya health is not good. She is having too much fever, but she is specially joining this event from her home to talk to all the partners. So thank you very much, Somya, and thank you very much all. This is Abhishek Bajaj. If you know, I'm a director of the Study Metro, and I'm thrilled to join again the second webinar part, which we are doing the last week, which we have done we have introduced the AI platform to everybody, and the response is awesome. Like I spoken with the 100 people, then 99 people they said, they love this platform, and they are really very much excited for today webinar as well, because they want to know the more productive tools which they can use, and which they can do the day to day all their operations. So let's start without wasting a time, because last week we have talked more than 1 hour time, so we are trying to finish this one by 5 p.m. and I will not, and we will have a couple of the engagement question as well, because I want, it should be not one way communication. I don't prefer the webinar, I prefer one-to-one meeting, but because there are so many people are joining, it's really very difficult to manage having one-to-one sessions with everybody. But yeah, whoever is interested and want to know more about the product, we my team is always there to schedule a one-to-one meeting. So after the webinar, we will share the webinar calendar link as well, and you can book the meeting, and then you can talk to the all our BDMs and all the counselors. So I'll just share my screen. Let me know if you can just see that, and then we can start the presentation. So Somya, my screen is visible to you, to everybody?
Yes, yes, sir. It's visible. You continue.
Okay, so before starting the today tools, I would like to know which are the people has joined the last week webinar. Because if you whoever joined the last week webinar, just give us a thumbs, so we know, okay, this many people already watched the last week webinar, so that we will not repeat back to all those things. And if you have not joined the last week webinar, just say no on your question box on the right hand side, so that we know this many people have not watched the last week webinar. We can share the webinar recording with you, so that you can watch after this live webinar. Okay, so before I'll start saying to you, what is the requirements, most of the people, they are already aware. They are the three main requirement we have, is that the first of all, the students, we require the career counseling, because sometimes the students, they comes and they're not sure about it, where to go, which kind of programs is suitable to his profile, what kind of job he can get it. Either I'll go to USA, UK, Canada, which country I can. So they require the entire career counseling. And most of the times, I have seen my partners, either they refer somebody else for the career counseling, or might be they are good in the career counseling, but they are not good in the study abroad products. So we are mixing all both together with the AI. We will let you know today, any kind of students, you can do their psychometric test. You can let them know what is your personality, what kind of character you have, or what kind of degree programs you can apply to the abroad, and what kind of salary you can expect. So everything can be done with the AI. Okay, and then we will also educate you about our other apps as well, which we will show to you. So before doing jumping to the all our apps, so let's have a quick the polls, because the polls will help us to understand what is your requirement, and based on that we will throw the this one as well. So I would appreciate everybody to participate in the poll, so that we understand what is your challenges, what is your requirement, and based on that we will do our webinar continuously, where we will educate you how you can do that. So I'm start seeing the people. The first question is that, which you can see in your screen: how does your counseling team currently managing the career counseling and student assessment? So either you are doing a manual process, or there are some tools or websites are available. I'm not sure about it. The two and three websites are there, Edu Mantra or blah blah blah, and they charge you subscription of 50,000, 80,000 rupees per month, where they give you the tools to use that. But in the AI, everything's free of cost. Okay, so I'm seeing most of the people manual process they are mentioning. And my second question was that, would AI powered psychometric tests help your counselor to better understand? So most of them are saying yes. Okay. Okay. So let me show this result to everybody. Okay. And let's jump into the our platform so that without wasting our time, we'll finish up within a 1 hour time. Okay, so if most of the people they already have this platform subscription, they already done it. So if you guys already done it, you can see that we are adding the new app. And if you're not able to find those apps, you can go to the plus sign and you can add those apps, because every week we will add the 5 6 apps. So like how you add the apps in your mobile app, you have to add this app on the portal. Okay, so now let's start with the career path AI. Now, this career path AI will ask you the couple of the questions, and based on the questions, it will generate this other person um, character, personality, and everything. Okay, so let's say you have a student who has current level is high school, so either he is in 10th, 11th, and 12th. Okay, now his industry. What are there any specific field or industry that you are planning to pursue in abroad? So let's say he want to become a software engineer. Okay, so it's looking to become a software engineer. And what are the favorite hobbies you have? So my hobbies is like, let's say, reading books, Java, C++, and playing cricket. So this is my hobbies. Okay. So according to, again, I'm just putting a rough data only, but I would appreciate whenever you are doing this one in your demo period, you put the exact the student's requirement so that you have a proper result as well. So what skills do you consider series strong? So like public speaking is my strong this one. My skills is public speaking, and I can say other skills is like that. I know computer and AI or anything. Okay. And what is your long term goal? I want to become an AI expert and settle in USA. Okay. So this is the requirement if let's say the students is having. So what AI will do, AI will check the student is in the high school and he's a specific specific field of industries is required software engineer, and what are the skills and what are the skills and hobbies the students is having, and what is his long term goal. So he want to become a AI expert and he want to settle in the USA. So now AI understand and make one personality. So they use the algorithm in the backend, and every student's having some different kind of personality. So when you see this student personality, they are giving the openness is 80% because he's a strong interest in the software engineer. So there is a personality of five big personality. There is a one is openness. Then you are the your skills in public speaking, that it is giving you the another personality, and the 85 65 and the 40 you appear to have a relative low level of this one because your strong is aspiration killer go toward becoming a expert. Okay, now it gave you one personality of the student. Now it is start recommending to you what are the career counselings are available. So because the student has mentioned the software engineer, he want to become a software engineer, then it's giving you the options. Okay, you can do the software engineering course, that is a bachelor's in the computer science, and you already strong in the C++, then you can do that. What kind of jobs you can get it? So there is a front end job, back end job, full stack developer you can become if you are working as a software engineer. Then what are the trends are going on? So there is a cloud computing, cyber security, AI integration. So there is already demand in the market for this field. Okay, what are the pathways? So the pathways is that you can first, because you are in the high schools, you can do the computer science, and if you finish your computer science, then you can do the masters in the software engineer. What kind of salary you can expect? So the salary will be start with the entry level of 60,000 to $80,000, the mid career at the senior level, because that is really very important for anybody which programs I choose or what kind of salary I can expect. Okay, you can also do the data science. So let's say if because there are so many engineers around, you want to make sure the students have multiple options. Then there's a second option is the data science. Again, it gave you the job roles and responsibility, what kind of job salary you can get. You can also become an AI research scientist. All those things, it will give it to you. Okay, it also give you the what your parents, how you can explain to your parents why this program or why you are choosing it. So there's a recommendation based on the students high level openness and the extraversion. We are recommending that the students they do the AI course. Okay, now also for skill development, because you have only two skills you have mentioned here, then it is giving you the more skills as well, which you can do that either in the Khan Academy, or you can do it in the Coursera, or other TED talks, whatever it is there, it can give it to you. So like this, it make the students very comfortable, which having clear information what he can do that. So now I'm just changing that he's having a interest in the art field. Okay, and then he's looking for painting is his hobby. Okay, and leadership is his qualifications, and then he want to settle in the UK, like this. Okay, so now because I change my requirement, then the AI will start finding your personality and the options depending on what requirement you have put. So like this, now you can see the requirement is changed. Artificial intelligence and career directive AI specialist, all those things start art technology, all those things depending on the art integrations, everything will start coming down here. So you can see depending on the student's profile, you can start talking to the this one, because we have mentioned AI here, AI expert and settle UK. That's why it's giving a AI expression, because that is my long-term goal. Okay, but if my long-term goal is changed, so I want to become a, let's say, businessman, and then I want to settle in the UK, because I have quality of leaderships and businessman I have to become. So it will start giving opportunities like entrepreneurships, and depending on those kind of courses available, it will start giving you those kind of suggestion. So this tool is really very useful for any students. Whatever you have, you can see the entire information what you can do that depending on this, and you can share with your students. You can just simply copy from here and you can share with your students. Okay, so if you like this app, please say yes, so we will also feel good that you are liking it. And then we will move to the another app as well. Okay, thank you very much. I'm seeing that so many likes are coming. Okay, thank you very much for participating and understanding. We are working really very hard to make all those things. Okay, for all of the feedback which we are receiving. So whenever we are booking one-to-one call, we are all everybody asking what else you want to build up, and your feedback is improving us to build the good platform for everybody. Okay, now this another app is for exclusive product. So let's say now the people are getting confused. Study Metro offers so many things, and they have to contact the BDM. They have to go to the our Study Metro websites to find all those information. But in this app, you can ask any questions related to the Study Metro exclusive product, which Study Metro will provide it to you. So let's say you want to know anything about the AI platform. Okay, what is AI platform? I don't know. So the system will start educating you. Okay, for AI platform, you have to go to this page. Landing page is AI marketing, AI lead generation, AI marketing free ebooks, and this additionally you can also participate in the 5 days revenue. So here, if you open any of the website, it will directly redirect to you the landing page of that product. Okay, now you can see the everything you need for the AI platform. So like this, if you're interested for the Study Metro franchisee, you just simply type the franchisee. It will give you the franchisee landing page and all those information what required to become a Study Metro franchisee. Now you can see the Study Metro franchisee landing page program. You can just simply go and log in. If you watch the video, if you like that product, you can definitely uh, apply for the Study Metro franchisee. If you want to have the similar kind of white label portal which we do for the partner portal, you just simply type the white portal and it will give you the white portal information. So depending on what product you require, it will give you all those information. So you have a white label portal and the 5 days challenge as well. If you want to book a meeting, you just simply type the meeting and it will give you the information about BDM's calendar link where you can book the one-to-one meeting with them. Okay, saying book a meeting. Okay, so it will give you the information about how to you can book the meeting with the BDMs. So all like this, you can partner with us, you can franchise with us, and you can work with us. Okay, so this is a platform app which we have made to access the Study Metro products. Okay, now there's another app which we have made, that is a Study Metro Partner Pro. This help is for those people who are joining our network but they are not sure about it, how to add the students, how to add the applications, how to track the commissions, what are the articles you have, or what are the university programs you are working with. So you can just simply ask the question, okay, how to add a student. So what it will do, it will give you the direct link of the how to add the students in the partner portal. You have the students addition link. You can just simply click and you can log in with your user ID password of your partner portals, and you can simply add the students here. Okay, you can add the students here, and then if you have if you want to, or there is a video tutorial as well. So if you want to know more about how to add the student, there is a video tutorial which you can use if you are new with the platform. Most of the partners are working with us so many years, so they are already aware about the system. But if you have a new team member who are joining, they can just simply use the platform and they can add it. Now let's say how to add the application. So when you click the applications, it will give you the applications link where you can add the applications in the partner portal. You just simply click on the link and you can add, or you can also watch the video tutorial how to track commissions. So let's say if you have a student who already got the visa and you want to track their commissions, you just simply ask the AI and the AI will redirect to you, okay, go to this web commissions link and you can get your commissions update from the Study Metro partner portal. Okay, so this app is useful for you to get understanding about the Study Metro partner portal, and you can become a pro while asking with the AI. You do not have to find the links or checking with the BDMs to provide the training. We also have a partner portal training, this one, where there are two trainings we are having it. So one training which you can see here, there is a training course. In the training course, we have so many trainings available for the sales and marketing, for the study abroad, for the portal training, test prep. So similar like that, in this AI app, we have made a special app for the partner portal training. Okay, which again, if you do not want to ask multiple questions to the AI, you can just simply come to this app where it will give you how to add the students, how to add the application, how to raise the commissions, all those videos, shortlisting the, how to shortlisting any universities, advanced search, everything is available in this app. So it you do not have to ask any questions. All the videos is preloaded here in this app, which help you to go through all those things. Okay, so this is for the partner portal training and the asking any questions regarding the products or having any kind of queries regarding the Study Metro exclusive product. So all those things can be covered in these three apps, and I'll teach you the Study Abroad coach. But before that, I'll ask you one poll, and then this is a game changing app which we have made, and this is a, once you see this one, you will be really surprised. I want everybody feedback, but first let's have the second poll, and then I'll start introducing with you the Study Metro Abroad coach app, and then I'll ask a couple of the questions as well. So let's start the polls first. So there are two questions are there. Okay, how do you currently handling your students inquiry about the study abroad options? So in the last webinar we learned about a couple of the people, they are struggling to finding the universities, finding the requirement, So shortlisting, the university process, the visa is required by most of the people. Okay, so and most of the times, today morning I am speaking with somebody and he said, it take hours to them to find the on the Google, finding the universities and opening that one. But now their life is really very easy when they started using the AI platform. Okay, so we have the people who are saying, uh, most of the time it's manual only they are doing. Okay, okay, okay. So let me just show this one. This is really very good feedback I'm receiving. Most of the time, people have, if you see 77% people, they said they are doing the manual things. And then we are also seeing that everybody's are interested to have the AI in their website. So I'll teach you today how you can have this AI app or AI chatbot in your website. Okay, but before doing that, I'm just showing to you one good app which is changing the entire study abroad thing. Okay, now this study abroad coach. Okay, so what is coach and what is study abroad coach? So study abroad coach is that where it's a study metro we started 2011 and till 2024 we have around, let's say, 14 years of experience. All our 14 years of experience, it is in our brain. We have take out all our knowledge and we put it in the AI. Okay, now when we have put it all our knowledge, all our ideas, all our the ways we work, now the AI we have trained. Now AI answers those all questions whatever you ask to the AI. Okay, so for example, let's start with a very basic question to the AI, and I want this webinar not should be the one way that I'm putting some questions and I'm getting the answers. I want everybody, whatever questions you have in your mind regarding the study abroad. So let's say any students are coming, he's asking you so many questions. What is the requirement of this university? Why this program? Is GRE is required? Is the 15 years of education is required for this university? Is application fee waiver is there or not? What is the visa requirement? Any questions, whatever comes in your mind, just put in the chat box. Okay, and I'll take your question right away. I'll show you the live. Okay, because I want to show everybody it's not like whatever questions I have I'm just putting. I want it should be a both way where you are asking your question directly and I paste those questions to the AI. Okay, so let's start with one simple question: which university pay more commissions? Okay, now system what it will do, it will start checking. Okay, based on our requirement, I can see these are the universities offer the highest commissions in the USA. So we have Gannon University, Florida International University, Full Sail universities. Okay, now let me check if anybody has put it any questions there on the chat box. On your chat you can see okay, okay, one question come: USA university except 16 years old. Okay, I'm just taking everybody questions. Okay, I'm just copying paste, just try to mention everything. Okay, so here it is starting many years university USA will accept the students who are 16 years old, providing this one academic readiness set and this one. I want to study in top 100 universities. So one question come. Oh, sorry, I just pasted the old question only. So just try to mention the entire world. I can see the people are using the small word. I want to study in top US universities. Okay, so like this, I asked this question, and based on their research requirement, research and selection, they start giving you what are the things which you can do that to study in the top 100 universities and all. So this is a suggestion they start giving. I try to ask the specific question so that you will have a specific answer. If you start asking the random question, they will start giving you the random answers. So try to put some kind of questions which is really very relevant to the AI to understand. Okay, that's why I told you last time. If you put the garbage, then you will get a garbage only output in the AI. If you put the gold, it will get a good out. So let's say as an example, what is the key information about the University of North Texas? Okay, so now it will start University of North Texas. Okay, this is the university which is established in 1890. This is the academic. This is the enrollment rate. This is the admission requirement, and all those things. Now, if the students is having asking any questions about the University of New Haven, so let's start. What about University New Haven? So it will start giving you the informations about the what are the key informations regarding this University of New Haven. So you do not have to find or anything on the web. Everything is available on this one as well, on your chat box. Okay, let me just see if anybody asks the good quality question. Okay, how we can get the app? That definitely I'll let you know. I have ILT 615. Okay. Okay, I'm just removing the top 50. Please suggest me university. Okay, so that AI understand. Okay, what is your profile, and based on the profile, it will give you. Okay, now you can see with IELTS 7.5, CGPA 7.8. These are the universities you can try to apply. So it understand your profile, and it will give you the recommendations according to what they want. Okay. So, what is the role of SOP and on the student visa submission? Okay, so there's another questions come. What is the role of SOP on the student visa submission? Okay, so now this question, a statement purpose is a crucial role with both university admission and student visa application process, and it will give you the role of the SOP and the role of the student application visa. So depending on your student questions, it will give you the answer what is required by the universities and all. Okay, you can also ask the more difficult questions to the AI. Is like, what is the GRE requirement? Let's say, what is GRE requirement of St. Jose University? Let's say St. Jose. I don't know, I love the St. Jose because every time I whatever I put, the St. Jose only come in my mind. Okay, so you can ask the GRE requirement. You can ask the, is this university accept the 15 years of education or not? What is the IELTS and TOEFL is required by the universities? What is the application fee of that university? Let's say application fee of Marist College, I guess. So you can ask anything regarding whatever comes in your mind. Any students ask you any questions, you just put it here. This is application for undergraduate and graduate. So you can try what is the application fee of, let's say, Pace University. So whatever the questions comes to you, you don't have to find those answers on the Google. The system is already smart enough. It will give you the okay. Undergraduate is 35 and graduate is 60. What is commission of pace? Because I'm just using again and again commission because that is more important for us as a study abroad business owner. What we are going to get and when we are referring a students to those university. So now you can see the commission rate of Pace University is $4,000 paid in the one installment and graduated 2,500. And now let's say if you I'll open the A table because it's collecting all the data what we have put. As I said to you that it's not if somebody told me that Abhishek, I'll try these keywords with the chat GPT. So I said you can try the chat GPT, but chat GPT never give you all those things because we have trained that AI in a way. So let's say if you go and check the Pace University, now you are saying 4,000 UG, 2,500 is a grad. And if you see the answer here, where it is, okay, 4,000 for UG and 2,000 for grad. It matching what we have fed it. Okay, now this kind of answers Chat GPT or nobody can give because that comes with the knowledge base, and we create the knowledge to the AI, and with the knowledge itself, it start giving all those information. So let's say if we try with the University of New Haven, what about University of New Haven commissions? Okay, So anything, whatever you ask, because we have trained the AI will give you those answers only, which the data we have fed there. You can see the undergraduate is 4,500, graduate is 3,000, which is 4,500, 4,500 UG, 3,000 for grad. Okay, so like this, AI is smart enough where we provided the entire informations to those AI, where it using the our knowledge, but sometimes we forgot what is there, but you just simply ask the question. You do not have to find your presentation, your Excel sheet, your notepad, your doc file where I put those information, because you just feed those information through the AI, and then AI will start giving those answers to your customers. And this is really very smart enough to ask anything. So let me just check to the my question box if I have couple of more questions. How can I get this app? It is only for US. Oh, okay, there's a one question. It is only for US or UK. No, it's not like that. You can ask anything. Provide me options for UK university for MBA program, and this is for everything. So it's not for only for USA. You can mention the UK universities, and so here a couple of the UK university they start giving. Okay, now let's say you want to find the information about the France, Germany, or Dubai, Singapore, Malaysia, New Zealand, Australia. That's okay. You can ask the or any questions to that. So let's say couple of the university given to us. Okay, I will select any of them. Let's say Manchester, University of Manchester. Okay, what is IELTS requirement? And you get this kind of silly questions from all the students. They'll ask you 100 questions. When before converting, they'll ask you so many things. Okay, and now they'll ask, and they'll go, and then you spend your 3 hours, 4 hours to find all those answers. Now when the students are sitting in your cabin or in your office, you can just simply put the questions and you can provide. You can just copy and paste it and give it to him. This is the requirement by the university. This is what you can do that. Okay, so you do not have to waste any time with this, with any kind of questions your counselors have, your students have. So you can use this system. Okay, so let me take Okay, once I ask what about the accuracy of this information, 99.9% it's accurate. Okay, any information which you're getting, you can come and you can cross check, because this all the feeds whatever we have, either with the university knowledge or with the directly getting from the university website. So 99.9% is right. Why the 0.1% is sometimes, let's say, we have fed the database of AI, but today night university changed the tuition fee, so might be it is showing you the tuition fee of sometimes before. Okay, might be sometimes the university put the deadline today itself, and we have a deadline after 7 days. So some small basic things might be you can find which is not correct, but 99% of those information is correct, which you can share with your counselors and with your team. Okay, aerospace Italy in the PG. Okay, very difficult question. Okay, I'll see aerospace Italy in PG. If I ask to my European counselor as well, he will take 2 hours time to find those answer. Okay, this is a top universities for aerospace engineering, which your students can apply. Why they can apply, is this course in English or not, what is the admission requirement, everything is there available on the portal. Okay. हाँ, yeah, clap तो बनता है. I think I got a one clap only. If everybody are liking, please clap it so that we understand. Okay, thank you very much. Everybody's are liking. There's so many claps are coming. Okay, great. With the one clap, one question as well, because I want to. Okay, where I will get this app, please. Okay, most of the people they're asking where I will get the app. I'll give it to you. I will give it to you. This app, Soumya, if you can just share the marketing app, or I'll show to you here as well on this chat. You have this marketingstudymetro.com AI, right? So this is a website. You have to just sign up. You will get a 3 days demo access, and you can apply. You can try by yourself. Okay, you do not have to rely on me. You can try by yourself. You ask all your counselors to be a part of this uh, game changer platform, and try by yourself. Okay, then you will understand what value it is. Okay, now let me take three more questions and then we'll move, and I will show to you how you can integrate the app in your website. So last three questions. Okay, and it should be good question. Okay, let me know any three more questions and then we'll move to the our next app, which is the how to integrate this app in your website. Anybody? Okay, regarding the scholarships. Okay, one question is regarding the scholarships. How to get scholarships opportunity in USA. Okay, so now, if you want to apply for the scholarships, there is a merit-based scholarship, there are need-based scholarship, there are different kind of scholarships are available. How you can check those university, those one, it is also available. Okay, so now you can apply to those kind of scholarships, and then you can apply those one for your students. So everything regarding those scholarships will help you. So let's say your students is more interested for full bridge foreign students program. This is a government scholarships. How to, okay, so like this you can ask the questions to the AI, and AI will give you the entire information, the step by step process to apply for this scholarship. There is a government scholarships which you can guide your students that you use this platform, and then you can get the more scholarships as well. We already educated you how to build the profile in our last webinar. If you have not watched it, then please watch the webinar recording. Soumya, you can give the webinar recording of the last week as well for those people who have not joined it. Okay, so one question comes is regarding the course specific requirement. So let's say, what is MSCAC required for international student for, let's say, University of North Texas? Okay. So you can also search the universities wise, the program wise, and now you can have the information about only for the MS in computer science engineering program. This is a requirement for the bachelor's. This is requirement for the GPA, English requirement, GRE score requirement, everything. What is application fee of the $75 UNT? Okay, which you have the entire information available here. So anything, any questions, whatever you have in your mind, you just simply ask to the AI, and AI will provide you the answers. And again, it's not Chat GPT. Okay, the Chat GPT does not know anything about the commission structure. Let's say for which university, Xavier University. Let's say. Okay. Now, if you put, I'm not sure about it, Chat GPT. I never tried it, but I can try it. The Chat GPT. I don't know what answers it will give. Okay, what is commissions of Xavier University? I don't know what answer will give. Oh my goodness, not related to us. Okay, it confused because see the problem with the Chat GPT is the Chat GPT is getting the knowledge from internet. Okay, and the AI platform which we have built is taking the knowledge what we have fed the information. Okay, so it's not taking all the informations from the internet, and that's why it's giving you the exact answer what we require. So the same questions I just copied and pasted here. What is the commission of Xavier University? Because I don't want the people they get confused that this is the like a Chat GPT, and this is what is the difference between the Study Metro AI or this one. It will give you the exact requirement what is there. Now this is a commission structure which you can see $4,000 paid in the one installment. You can cross check this $4,000. Okay, so like this, it's a trained AI which give you the entire information whatever we feed, any information about any key information what we have, the GRE requirement, the TOEFL requirement, everything whatever we have trained, it is providing you all the answers. Let me see if I have Any more questions? Otherwise, what is the cost if we want to use this app? Okay, 49 USD per hour. Oh, sorry, per not per hour, per month. Okay, but we have the 3 months, 6 months, and 9 months plan as well. So here you can come on the AI platform. Okay, and it's do so many things. Okay, I'm just educating you about the study abroad, but it do the marketing, the entire marketing. You can do that. My next webinar next Friday 6 p.m. will talk about the marketing, how you can, because there are so many questions I'm receiving for the lead generation, how you can generate the lead and everything. So my suggestions to everybody, till next week, I'm having a webinar for AI marketing. Please join AI marketing webinar. But meantime, there is a 5-day challenge we already started, and it gives you the entire strategy about how to do the marketing, how to do the sales, and how to do the branding of any company. Okay, please watch all my training which I educated you, because these tools is really very useful for you when you know the strategy. Sometimes you have the tool, but if you don't know how to use, so let's say I gave you the BMW, but you don't know how to operate the BMW. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, you should understand how to. You should have the manual how to deal with the BMW or anything, right? So that when you have the strategy with you, then you use the system and then you do the wonders in the system. Within I can promise you, within 3 months you can see the 500% increment in your enrollment if we are using our strategy, because of all the strategy which we use as a study metro from this many years, we are giving back to the society, and these tools will help you to work smart, not hard. Okay, so here what you can do, that we have the all the tools which we have mentioned here, and there's a $49 per month plan. You can pay for monthly wise, or if you want to pay for 3 months, there will be 1 month free. You will get in 3 months, in $100 you will get a 3 months access, and then you will get a 50% free if you're applying for the yearly plan, because on monthly you are getting around $600, but for yearly you're getting $320 itself. Okay, but here you will have the entire access of all the apps, whatever you are seeing on the study metro portal. There are so many apps which we are building, so every week we'll build another 6 7 apps. Okay, so next week we are having we will show to you how to generate the script for the video, how you can engage in emails, WhatsApp, how you can use the you can just simply copy the image and put the write up whatever you want, how to insert the hooks, everything regarding the marketing we will educate you in the next webinar. Okay, so before doing that, let me show to you AI chat box, which is most of the people are excited because they want to use the same thing what we have, which we have shown to you in their website. Okay, now the same thing, if you already have the subscription of the study metro AI platform, you also have a options for AI chatbot. Okay, now this AI chatbot is a simple code which you can insert in your website, and you can communicate like what I just showed to you. Your students 24/7 can communicate with you. If you're not available as well, AI is there to help you to talk to them and give them exact informations. And you can ask your students that okay, my counselors are on leave, you go and talk to my AI, it will give you whatever the answers you require. Okay, how to do that is that it's very simple. There is a code is there, okay, which you have to just simply copy as a script, which you can do that, or you have to build the knowledge base. So knowledge base I will not take today in session, I will take you in the tomorrow the next session, next webinar, that how you can apply for the knowledge board, and then you can put your site name, URL, anything whatever you want. Like this you can mention to the chat box, and their chat box is ready, and where you can start communicating with this one. Okay, so you just simply copy this code, and you can paste this code to your widget there. Okay, so I'm just showing to you one example of my WordPress. This is my WordPress studymethod.blog. This is a WordPress website I have, and here I created a test page. Okay, in the test page I put this small code. Okay, and using this small code, now here you can see script stpi, this one, this is a small code I have put it there. And now I have the chat box ready in my studymetro.blog. This is again a WordPress test page where I can have the AI bot is ready with me. Okay. Now with this AI bot, you can ask anything, whatever you have. Again, I have not built the knowledge base, so you will not see the answer, but I just show to you regarding how you can do the live chat here. Okay. So let's say, hi, how can you help me? Okay, any questions you are asking here, it will comes to your AI app, which you see here. And let me just refresh this one. And whatever questions the student asks, you can see how I can help you with. This questions comes to me. Okay, and then you can answer what is your budget, let's say. So you can do the live chat with the student, and then the students will receive the same message here. What is your budget? So he can talk to you and discuss with you. Okay, this is not AI, because here I'll just show to you, I have not created the knowledge base here, because you have to train the AI. And this is a demo account, so we do not have anything trained. There's a zero documents I have uploaded here, so there's no documents. The AI app is not knowledgeable enough to give you the information. Now if you want to try, we already put it in our partner portal, which you can see, I guess, training course. Here is the chat box. So in this partner portal, we already configured for the study metro knowledge base. So if you're coming to the partner portal and you can ask anything, it will give you the answers regarding the study metro things. But when you provide your knowledge base, so let's say you are XYZ company, and you put your URLs, your documents, your university which you work, then based on whatever the knowledge you feed into the knowledge base, it will start giving. So it will not give you the information about the study metro, it will give you the information about XYZ company. So whatever is your company name, it will start talking in a way that they're representing your company only. So don't worry that some people ask me, oh, it will start giving a study matter information. We do not want to give study matter information. Not like that. Whatever you feed in the knowledge base, which I'll educate you next week in next webinar of how to put, because we have a limited time and knowledge base will take another 15 minutes time, how to make AI more intelligent. In a way, he will talk about your company brand only. We do not want to talk about the study metro brand. It will talk about your brand. So let's say in my AI, which we already put it on the partner portal, you can see that I ask a couple of the questions to them, how I can apply to the Webster University. So this is a Webster University requirement. What are required for the US University? These are the US University requirements. So we have trained the AI to use this chatbot. So let's say Abhishek, Abhitest. So here, whatever you ask the questions, what is study metro? Okay. So whatever you ask the question, it will start giving you, okay, study metro is this, study metro is that. The AI will start talking about all this. Study metro is a compulsory service provider. But if I ask any questions to the new AI bot which is not knowledgeable, might be I'm not sure about it, it will give you the information. It will because it's not trained. So we have to train the AI to provide you the exact answer what you're looking. So now there's no result because a knowledge base is nothing is there. There's a zero knowledge this bot is having. Okay, so we'll educate you how once you subscribe with the AI, then my team we will work with you and they'll ask you all those things whatever you used to share on the Excel sheet or Google Sheets to your people, to your students or your sub agents. All those things, whatever you have to upload it here, okay, in the knowledge base. And then your AI is knowledgeable enough about your company, and then you can launch your AI chatbot in your website, which give you the entire information about whatever you do. So whatever knowledge we have put it in the AI. Now AI is giving you the result whatever we do. Similar way, it can happen for your company as well. Okay, so that's all from my. Okay, I'm getting excellent initiative. Okay, thank you very much for that. Your feedback is really important, and we look forward to have everybody's to join this webinars every week, because in every week we are educating you. These are the apps which you can use for your study abroad industries or any industries. If you are from business industry as well or any other, I spoken with the person who is a I think who is soft skill trainers in the colleges. Then I educate him. Then if you do not have any experience as well in the study abroad, you use the platform where you become a smarter and you can answer any kind of questions whatever the students have. Okay, so like this, you use the platform, and 5 day challenge, if you accept it, then it's a free of cost. You can enroll for the 5 day challenge. The link is already given there. Okay, and then we'll educate you about the strategies. And the next week when we are talking, we'll take up the knowledge base, how you can make knowledgeable AI so that it can answer any questions your students or your sub agents have or your counselors are having it. And the second thing is that how to do the lead generation, how to do the marketing and everything. Thank you, Subramaniam. I think it's saying excellent presentation. So thank you very much for that. Your comment is really very valuable and give us the more information. Yes, over to you, Somya.
Yes, you are receiving many appreciations. Excellent initiative ever, excellent presentation, many thumbs up. So
Thank you.
thank you everyone for joining us today. And
It looks like people love me.
yes, sir.
Great, great, great,
And
great.
we can't wait to see you in the next week on Friday. I think
Sure.
it's on the same time, sir, 4 p.m.
4 p.m. same time, same link. So the link which you have joined today is the same link. The next week you can join. I'll educate you regarding the entire marketing, which you can do that for your company.
Yes. Also, if you have any of your sub agents who are interested for the AI marketing, you can also share the same link with them as well, and they can join the webinar also.
Yeah, you can ask all your counselors or all your network, whatever you have. So these apps which we are making it, first of all for the study abroad partners, but in the future our goal is to make these apps for the students and for your partner universities as well. So we have the restriction which we give some apps to the partners, some apps to the students, some apps to the universities, and based on roles you will do that, we will have it. In our couple of the questions comes to me that they also want this white label, this AI app. So this is in our mind, like how we do the white label of all our cloud portal. You will soon see that AI app also can be entirely platform. You can do the white label, but that is in the pipeline. I cannot commit. It will come in 3 months, 4 months, 6 months. But yeah, my team is working hard, because right now my goal is to give you another 30 to 40 apps, which is really important for you for running the business. And once that is over, we will futurely move to the white label of AI platform as well. But that is only available for those people who are subscribing with us for the 1 year plan. Okay. So remember, it's not open for everybody. It's only open for those people who are subscribing for the 1 year plan.
Still,
Okay. Anything else? Any questions? If anybody have, you just put down there on the chat box. We have another 4 minutes. We are on time today. Okay.
yeah, I
Somya,
think we
can
are
we wrap
still
up then?
receiving the appreciation, sir. Nobody has any question as of now.
Okay, so I look forward to see everybody in AI Insight, AI platform Insight. So please subscribe today itself. Okay, before this price go up. So I would like everybody will subscribe, and also attend over the next week webinar, Friday 4 p.m. and do participate in the 5 day challenge, so that you understand the entire strategy of the business. Okay, thank you very much again. I'm just signing off, Abhishek here, and I look forward to see you in our upcoming webinar.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye. Bye bye, everyone.
Bye bye.